Why do Vietnamese people love motorbikes? Visit Vietnam, you can see them everywhere. First, motorbikes are convenient. They move through small streets and heavy traffic more easily than cars. Next, they are affordable. They cost much less than a car. Another reason is flexibility. People ride them to work, buy food, and visit friends. You can carry many things on a motorbike. Sometimes even flowers, furniture, or big boxes. So for many Vietnamese people, motorbikes are more than transportation. They are part of daily life.